Hello and welcome back to the third lesson of Module 4. In this lesson, we will briefly look at the VAT and tax requirements of a social enterprise. It is important to note that the tax requirements for a social enterprise differ from country to country and in some cases region to region. This lesson will discuss the common basics of tax and VAT and provide links for you to further explore the requirements in Ireland. To begin, this lesson will introduce VAT and the requirement to add VAT to your product or service. As a reminder, at any stage, feel free to pause the video to take notes, rewind to hear the information again, or stop the video to complete a learning activity. Let's begin. In this lesson, we will cover two topics, each of which has been designed to support your financial learning on the path to being a social entrepreneur. This lesson will cover the topic of VAT and tax requirements for social enterprises. I want to highlight that the information we will discuss is specific to running a social enterprise in Ireland. The first topic looks at VAT and what is it. Value-added tax, or VAT, is a tax charge on the sale of goods or services and is included in the price of products and services that we use every day. The rate of VAT differs in every country. However, in Europe, VAT is included in the advertised price of goods and services. Professional help at the beginning of your journey can be of real assistance in your day-to-day, but also to understand the tax that you would deal with when you are trading. If your turnover exceeds a specific threshold in any 12-month period, then you will have to register for VAT, unless your particular product or service is exempt. It may be beneficial for you to register early if you supply to business customers only. If not, you will need to plan for the impact it will have on your profitability. Check to see what the latest threshold amount is now, as it can vary each year. The second topic looks at tax. Professional help at the beginning of your journey can be a real assistance to understanding tax. Tax regulation for social enterprises differ by country. It is important to research the tax requirements of the country you operate in. Some countries provide social enterprises with tax exemptions. As countries differ on tax requirements, it is important to reach out to a professional with knowledge on your country or region's tax requirements for social enterprises. In Ireland, you can find out more about your social enterprise's tax requirements on www.revenue.ie or with Citizens Information, online or in person. This lesson requires you to do much of your own research. If you decide to seek support from an accountant, it is still important to know as much as possible about the tax requirements in your country. As a research task, complete the following. Research the tax requirements and incentives available to your social enterprise. Look into the VAT threshold and what percentage of VAT would apply to your good or service. Compile all the relevant information that is useful to you regarding tax and VAT. Research accountants who could support you with ensuring your social enterprise is following the tax regulations in your country. Finally, to conclude this lesson, let's revise what we have discussed. Value-added tax, or VAT, is a tax charged on the sale of goods or services and is included in the price of most products and services that we use every day. Professional help at the beginning of your journey can be of real assistance in your day-to-day, but also to help you understand the tax that you would deal with when you are trading. To access information about tax in Ireland, visit www.revenue.ie. Looking forward to seeing you again in the next lesson.